Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start from the recovery environment so you can repair the boot manager directly. Boot your PC from a Windows Recovery USB and choose Advanced Options, then Command Prompt. Once done, identify whether your system uses UEFI or Legacy BIOS because that determines the tools and paths you'll use. Make sure you know the Windows drive letter inside the recovery console. It may change from C. Now you're ready to run the disk and boot repair commands. You'll rebuild the boot configuration depending on firmware. For UEFI, run diskpart to select the EFI partition, assign it a letter like S. Then run bcdboot C, /Windows/SS, /FUEFI to recreate the EFI boot files. For Legacy BIOS, run bootrec/fixmber, bootrec/fixboot, and then bootrec/rebuild to detect installations. Make sure to run sfc/scano and chkdsk on the Windows volume if system files or disk errors are present. These protect against repeated failures. You'll finish by removing the USB and rebooting to confirm Windows Boot Manager appears in the firmware boot list. If the system still won't boot, return to recovery, verify you use the correct drive letters, check Secure Boot and Firmware Mode, and rerun bcdboot or bootrec as needed. One practical tip: before changes, export a BCD backup with bcdedit/export so you can restore it. This single troubleshooting step saves time when repairing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.